Hey team, it's Don from City Warmth in Brighton, and today we are going to look at bleeding radiators, a life skill you all need to have. Okay, first things first, we need the correct tool to bleed the radiator. We need a radiator bleed key. You can pick these up from Screwfix, B&Q, Amazon, probably Tesco for all I know, anywhere online around about £1.50 to get a radiator bleed key. You are looking to head to one end of the radiator where there will be a little square that this key will fit over. Not all panel radiators are newer style like this. Some of the flatter ones will have the little square on the top, on the back, behind it, on the side, a variety of different places. But if you inspect your radiator from end to end, somewhere along the line, there'll be a bleed point where you can put your bleed key. Okay, get yourself some toilet tissue, a rag, an old towel. That goes where the bleed point is. Bleed key goes over until it clicks into place, and then you're going to want to turn to release any air that's in the top of the radiator. Some of these bleed points will be stiff. You need to have had your Weetabix, but you've got muscles, so you can do this. Bleed it until you just get water out. That means your radiator will then get hot evenly from the bottom the whole way to the top. If there's a lot of air, that's okay. Just keep going until you get water out. Once you've done this, you're going to want to head over to your boiler and repressurize that thing to make sure that the volume of water is the same the whole way through the system and the correct level for the boiler to operate and give you even heat and hot water throughout.
For more homeowner plumbing and heating tips and energy saving advice, like this video, subscribe and follow us at City Warmth.